Then we'll crochet the comb part. Start with a slip knot and chain 6 stitches. This doesn't count as a stitch. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Now work back starting from the second chain from the hook. Then single crochet 5. Now chain 1 to turn, and flip your piece over to the other side. Next, we'll work 1/2 double crochet. And pass through 3 loops at once. And continue to crochet a double crochet in the same stitch. And 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. The first group is completed. Then we start with a slip stitch in the next stitch. We work 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet. And 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. The second group is done. We'll start with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Then work 1/2 double crochet in same stitch. One double crochet. And 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. In the remaining 2 stitches, hook a slip stitch. Leave a long thread for sewing.